Welcome to our Excel trainings. Let me tell you about 3 shortcuts that will be very useful to you in Microsoft Excel. When working in Excel, when you press Ctrl down arrow to go to the bottom of our lists, you go to the bottom of the list. Ctrl up arrow moves to the far left of our list. With Ctrl on the left arrow and on the right arrow, we go to the left and right sides of the list. If you need to do this method with the mouse, when you click on any cell and double-click on the underline of the cell, it will take you directly to the bottom of the Excel list. When you double-click on it, it will take you to the bottom, and when you double-click on the line at the top, it will take you to the top of the list. Look again, I came here, I double-click on the underline to get to the bottom. Similarly, to go to the top, I double-click on the top line and go to the top again. Another very simple method when using Excel is to enter the current date. If you need to enter the day's date in any cell, the day's date is entered when you press Ctrl Shift and comma. You can increase the dates day by pulling it downwards. If after entering this date, I enter the date again by pressing Ctrl Shift, comma, and when I pull it sideways, you will see pound signs appearing because it does not fit into the cell. To turn on these hash marks, all you have to do is click on the Auto Fit Column Width option in the Format menu. The sharps disappear directly from the cells, and the cells become the appropriate column width. You may be performing different operations here. We can also open them by double-clicking from here, but this is the method we recommend, is to use the Auto Fit Column Width option in the Format menu. Another method we will enjoy when using Excel is about duplicating the sheet. If it is necessary to duplicate the page here, the easiest way to make a copy of a page is to hover over Sheet 1, press the Control key on the keyboard, hold down the left mouse button, and drag it to the right and release it. Look, when you do this, you get a copy of a page directly. Let me do it again. I hovered over a phrase, pressed Control, pressed the left button, pulled it to the right, and released it. We directly create a copy of the page. Another fourth method is to use the tables we have selected. It's about deleting all data. Look, I selected the table here by pressing the Ctrl-A key. When you press DLT from here, the data is deleted, but as you can see, the borders and shadows are not deleted, and similarly the formats here are not deleted. When you type any number here, it will appear directly here as a date. Similarly, when you type a number here, it will automatically be divided into thousands. For this purpose, deleting is actually one of the simplest methods in Excel, and the right way to delete is to use the clear button on the home menu again after selecting the area we will delete. When you press the Clear All button from here, we delete all the shapes, borders, and shading in the table. Just as you can see, the column widths remain constant here. Another method, and our fifth method when using Excel, is to use the Format Painter. For example, when you click on any cell here using the Format Painter and click wherever you want, we get a format like this here. But if you need to apply this format to 5, 6 different parts of the page, after selecting it, double-click on Format Painter, and we can easily click on the places we want from the options here. After we are done, we can get rid of Format Painter again by pressing the Escape key. As you can see, we can speed up our daily Excel usage with simple methods while working in Excel. To follow similar training videos, please subscribe to our channel and share this video. If you leave a comment below our video about the shortcuts or other methods you like, we can all learn together.